What's up guys, my name is Brandon and I have received well over 800 messages combined on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, you name it, and that's not even including the hundreds of comments on the video from yesterday asking for help with Cydia Extender. So I showed how to fix a lot of the errors in that video, in the description, and also even in the video itself, but a lot of people still keep asking me about them, so I needed to make this video to help you guys out with some of the errors you're getting in Cydia Extender. So if you haven't seen the video yet, just go ahead and check the cards right now. Basically, it's a tutorial showing you how to essentially get Yalu on your device without a computer, and it lasts forever. You just have to re-sign it on your device every week. And actually with a new package from the same developer and on that same source called Cydia Extender Plus, you don't even have to do that. So Extender will just automatically renew the certificate for you after 7 days. However, I would strongly suggest you avoid that package right now because it has sent some people into a boot loop. So just stick with the regular way for now. And maybe in the future, I will update you guys, or in the description or in the comment section of this video, I will tell you when, if ever, it is safe to download. Also in that video, I said that you need to remove the Extender profile after 7 days, but you actually don't, only after 1 year. So the certificate actually lasts a year for Extender itself. All right, now let's get to how to fix some of these common errors. All right, so the first error actually occurs in Cydia Extender itself, and it's the CPP 71/81. So if you see this right here, CPP 81, and then this one right here, CPP 71, that just means you already have a certificate pending or active. You just simply need to plug your device into your computer, open up Impactor, go to the Xcode option up top, click on revoke certificates, and then you should be good. Or if you installed that optional package called Extend Life, which I showed in my previous video, it actually has a revoke certificates option built into that, so you don't even need to hook it up to the computer. This error could also mean that you're just using the wrong Apple ID with the team ID, so just make sure you have that right. If that doesn't work, remove everything you just installed from the Cydia Extender installer through Cydia, and then just redo the entire process. And if that still doesn't work, just create a new Apple ID or just use a different Apple ID. The next error is the var log apt missing error, and I showed this in a previous video how to fix it, and it's actually very, very simple. So as you can see there, it says var log apt missing, and you fix this by simply going into terminal, typing su, password alpine, and then type in mkdir space var log apt, and this is going to manually make that directory. That's what mkdir stands for, is make directory. And then when I hit return, you see that it says file already exists, but yours should just bring up a new blank line. And keep in mind, everything you type into terminal is case sensitive and space sensitive, so make sure you type everything exactly as I type it, or just copy it from the description. Now if you get the var cache partial is missing error like you see on the screen right here, we do need to do the same thing inside of terminal, but we're going to type in a new command. We're actually going to be creating a package inside that directory, and you're going to type in exactly what you see on the screen right now. I'm not going to type it into terminal, but it's going to be on the screen right now, and this is going to create that package inside of that directory. Now if you get any of these line apt-get command not found errors, that just means you need to go into Cydia and uninstall apt 0.6, and if that doesn't work, try reinstalling all of the other apt packages with numbers. So if I go into Cydia and type in apt, you can see there's 4 packages right here that I have installed. You should have those installed or just reinstall them. But like I said, I would first start with removing apt 0.6 transitional and just keeping the 0.7s installed, and if that doesn't work, just reinstall every one of them. Now if you get this error right here where it says line 74 unzip command not found, that just means you need to go into Cydia and reinstall 2 packages. Those packages are Unzip, so if you just type in unzi, you should see Unzip right there, reinstall that, and then zip, it should be right there when you search zip lowercase, just reinstall that as well. Now this next error is one of the more complicated errors, but as you can see on the screen right now, if you get this error, something similar to this where it says errors were encountered, you just need to go and read what package terminal shows is giving you that error, and then go into Cydia and remove or reinstall that package. But before anything, remove apt-get if you have it installed. Apt-get causes a ton of issues with this method. So for example, in the screenshot right here, you can see the error shows app-inst, meaning app installer. That's what it stands for. So if we just go into Cydia and search for app installer, you should see that there is indeed a package called app installer. So you need to remove this package from whatever other repo you already had it installed from. And this error occurs because Extender is basically trying to overwrite a package you already have installed, and it can't do that. So you just need to remove it so that Extender can install it through terminal. And here's another example that shows 3 packages with issues. So you're basically just going to go into Cydia, locate the package, and remove them just like we just showed with app installer. So it's get text, widget, and app installer, all 3 of them. And like I said, Extender will manually reinstall these packages through terminal. Just keep in mind, don't remove anything that says you'll remove Cydia installer or anything like that. You don't want to remove Cydia. If that pops up, just opt in for reinstalling instead of removing. Now, if you get the database error inside of Cydia where it says needs to be reinstalled but can't find an archive for it, you're gonna have to run a long command in terminal. And I will have that command in the description below, so make sure to check that out. It's basically just going to force remove the package from your device. And if you have any other error, try reading what the error says before asking how to fix it, because in terminal, it's going to tell you 100% of the time what's causing the issue. So just try, maybe to use a method I showed in this video for your specific use. But of course, if you do still have questions, go ahead and ask away in the comment section below or in a DM on Instagram or Twitter. But just keep in mind, I'm most likely not going to respond if I already covered it in this video and the previous video, because again, I just get hundreds of these messages and I can't respond to every one of them when I already told you, how to fix it in this video. But anyways, guys, I hope that helped you out with some of your errors you're getting. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if it did, or if it can help somebody out that you know. Be sure to share this video with them. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe for a lot more content coming soon. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.